system.
Right.
No? It would really strengthen the immune system, most especially the component na tinatawag nating antioxidant. Ano po yung antioxidant? Ito yung component ng certain food products na to fight sa mga hindi necessary or yung tinatawag nating free radicals sa yung
system natin. Yung mga kalawang natin.
Mga kalawang na nagpo-produce ng premature aging, di ba, yung cancer, something like that. So, the higher the antioxidant po na matitake natin, the better for longevity and for yung tinatawag nating graceful aging.
Yan nga. So, napakaganda nitong pagpasok nito na mayroon palang pwedeng, there is an alternate for us aging people to be happy, healthy, and age gracefully, as you said, Doctor. So, ngayon, palagay ko magpaparto tayo ng dalawa eh. Marami kaming phone card.
No problem po.
Yeah, next time we will discuss, we will continue on part 2, no? Kasi we have a few minutes more to go. Kasi nahirapan kaming mag-contact sa'yo part first. Pero this time, you were the one who called, no? So, nakakaya naman sa'yo, hindi namin nagamit yung phone card. But anyway, it's so important na marami kaming natutunan sa'yo ngayong gabi. It's an honor having you tonight from afar. And I hope you continue to, perk up with your knowledge on such wellness, no? Maraming salamat, Doctor. Soon we will hear from you on a part 2. Maraming salamat po. As we close with you tonight, ano yung magandang payo mo sa amin lahat na mga kababayan mo nandito na nakatira sa Metro Manila and all over the country tonight?
First and foremost, araw-araw natin na lifestyle, dapat tayo, number one, we have to be mindful po sa mga natin, sa mga pagkain, sa mga exposure natin sa mga, yung sabi kong mga chemicals. Kasi yun na nga, naririnig natin, it's always prevention is the best medicine po, no? So if we live our lives, yung mga pagkain natin, good diet, good lifestyle, is good supplementation, something like that. I think more than 50-60%, even 80% mapiprevent po natin yung disease. Kasi yung disease, most especially yung mga chronic disease po, it doesn't happen overnight po eh.